Hi, this is Julie Evans, instructor for GRD 230 Technical Illustration, and this is a quick tour of my epic exemplary course. We open with the announcements area. After the 10% point, the remind.com feed is a prominent sticky post alerting students to the latest deadline reminders and any brief, spontaneous class feedback I may have. Students receive these reminders directly to their smartphones when they join the class on remind.com. Under Getting Started, I introduce myself and welcome students to the online community and provide a quick overview of the course. The video was shot using a green screen background, and I designed a branded background image showcasing student works from the course, which was superimposed using Camtasia. The syllabus is attached, and weekly deadlines are clearly stated. The course description and format are also here, followed by an explanation of each of the Blackboard sidebar items for student reference. My faculty information area is robust with a brief bio, credentials, and even some personal information. I invite students to connect with me in person during office hours, via email outside of office hours, and via Skype by appointment. The assortment of photos convey my personality and some of my favorite things, letting students know there is a real live person behind the Blackboard shell. Course Resources contains the syllabus, along with a schedule of weekly assignments and deadlines. Requirements for software and textbooks are included here, along with a link to supporting textbook resources. The graphic of weighted grade categories makes this information easy to grasp at a glance. I prefer that students submit files and links in a certain way in this course, so I made a video demonstration of this process for student reference. I can refer a student back to this video when they submit files or a link incorrectly. Guidelines for peer review via discussion board, as well as tips for communicating with classmates and instructors are included in this section as well. Finally, the remind.com information is duplicated in case students overlooked it in the announcements area.
The lessons area is organized in a consistent pattern and deadlines are clearly indicated. Each lesson contains lesson learning objectives, tasks for this lesson, lecture materials folder, and sometimes an assignment folder. I link to discussion board assignments within the lesson folder so students have everything they need in one place. Assignment submissions are labeled and instructions are given for naming files. Expectations are defined in the accompanying rubric. Peer reviews of creative projects are performed in the discussion board area. Students are given specific criteria for the formatting of their images. The instructions are given for word count per response. Students are encouraged to utilize their graphic design vocabulary when critiquing peer works. This concludes the quick tour of GRD 230 Technical Illustration, an epic exemplary course. Thanks so much for watching.